Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Vibes channel.
I'm John,
And I'm Emma. We're so happy you're here with us today.
and this is another easy and fun English lesson for beginners.
But before we start,
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss our new lessons.
yes, when you press the bell, you get all our videos on time.
All right, let's begin.
Today's topic is jobs.
Yes, we will learn how to talk about your job in simple English.
Jobs like teacher, doctor, driver, cook, student.
Or designer, manager, cashier, engineer, so many jobs.
And we will show you easy sentences you can use every day.
Plus, a fun conversation and many examples.
Here are some basic job sentences. I work as a. I work at. I work in. I'm a student. I don't work. I'm looking for a job.
These sentences are very common and very natural.
Let's practice them today.
So, Emma, tell us, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Yes, Emma teaches English to many students.
I love teaching. I enjoy helping people learn new words.
You also make great lessons.
Thank you. And I also work online. I make videos and explain English in a simple way.
So, your sentences are, I am an English teacher. I work online. I make English lessons.
Okay, John, your turn. What do you do?
I'm a content creator.
Yes, John makes videos, scripts, and podcasts.
I work from home. I write scripts for English learners.
That sounds fun.
It is fun. I like creating useful content.
So, your sentences are, I'm a content creator. I work from home. I write scripts. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I am a teacher.
I am a writer.
I work at a school.
I work from home.
I work as a manager.
I work as a driver.
Good job!
You're doing great.
Here are some very common jobs you'll hear. Teacher, student, driver, engineer, doctor, nurse, cook, cashier, shopkeeper, designer, artist, security guard, manager, waiter or waitress.
You can use any job with the simple sentence, I work as a.
For example, I'm a driver. I work as a nurse. I'm a student.
Emma, what was your first job?
Oh, my first job was in a small bookstore.
Really? Did you read all the books?
Not all, but many.
I can imagine you hiding behind books like, shh, I'm reading.
Maybe.
My first job was making sandwiches.
Oh yes, I remember you told me.
I made 50 sandwiches a day.
Did you eat some?
Maybe 1 or 5.
That's a delicious job.
Here are some easy questions to ask someone about their job. What do you do? What's your job? Where do you work? Do you like your job? Are you a student? What do you do for work? These are perfect for small talk.
Let's do a small role play. Imagine we meet for the first time. Hi, John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
What do you do?
I'm a content creator. What about you?
I'm an English teacher.
Oh, nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Great.
See? Very simple.
Here are some more sentences you can use. I work in a hospital. I work in a shop. I work in an office. I'm a full-time worker. I work part-time. I'm a student right now. I'm looking for a job. I don't work. I stay at home.
These help you sound confident and natural. Let's review the important words. Job, work, office, shop, hospital, teacher, student, driver, doctor, manager, part-time, full-time.
Very useful for everyday conversation.
Repeat with us. I am a student.
I am a manager.
I work in a school.
I work in an office.
I love my job.
I'm looking for a job.
Great work.
You're doing amazing.
Now it's your turn.
Tell us in the comments, what is your job? Or, if you don't work, what job do you want in the future?
We want to read your answers.
Thank you for watching today's lesson on jobs. If you learned something new, don't forget to
Like this video
subscribe to our channel.
and click the bell icon so you never miss our next lesson.
More easy English lessons are coming soon on English Vibes.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.